Now we are going to create the experience section. And since you entered in the beginning that you have worked for two companies, it will allow you to add information for two companies, and then you can add more companies if you want. So just write what companies you have worked for. This is the position, this is the company name, what was the location, and if you are still working over there, or what is the experience range, or when did you start, and when that job ended. Now we are going to be careful with the answers which we give for each position as well, because machine learning models are going to use that data to create a roles and responsibility section for you, which will work in your favor when you apply for that position, for that particular position. So just for you, I'm going to paste whatever are the examples, but make sure you read this and answer your own things. And don't try to add too much information. Just try to add the key points, or which you think are key points, and don't try to make it very articulative as well. Just write in terms of if you're telling a resume writer, and it should work perfectly fine. I'm going to paste this information. Also, if you can quantify, for example, if you see over here that I successfully increased sales by 20% with my first year, it would be great. And if you cannot quantify over here right now, just answer whatever you can. And when you, in the future, if you want to edit that, there is a way to edit any bullet point, and it makes it more quantifiable for you. I'll show it to you later, but in this section, try to be as quantifiable as possible. So I recommend you answer all five questions, but even if you answer three, and if it asks to generate the roles and responsibility section for that job, it will create it for you. That based on the complexity of your answers and the position you are applying for, it is making sure that it matches with the job description, and you get more information, or you get more match of information and keywords for the job you are going to apply. So these are the bullet points. As usual, you can edit here, you can modify as you want, and there are different ways to modify that as well. And if you don't like, and if you want to regenerate, you can click on regenerate, or you can change your answers and generate the summary again as well. So we're gonna save this. Actually, we didn't enter the company information, so I'm just gonna do test here. Test company New York. I would do New York, New York, but just to make it easy, and then save and continue. So if you see, it added that section in your resume.